don't mind her mommy's picture on our table. I understand that she's the mother of your child. I don't mind her little visits here on Sundays, even though she shares our world for a little while. I'll pretend that I don't see the way she looks at you. Any fool can see she's still in love with you. I'll be mommy number 2, baby. I'll do that for you because I love you. I'll do anything you want me to. If you will tell me one more time, so I can satisfy my mind that I am mommy number 2, but wife number 1 to you. When you see them both together, I know it bothers you. She's the image of her mother. We both know it's true. Does that old world deep inside you start to turn again? Am I only just some stranger outside looking in? I can't help the way I feel. I don't know what to do.